Alright guys, today we're going to install the Raceseng Stratose shift knob. This is the Alcantara with red stitching. Matches the interior quite nicely. Before we get started, let's hit the like and subscribe button for a lot more WRX videos. Alright, this is quite an expensive shift knob, but it is certainly very nice. What's good about this is that it doesn't get too hot or too cold in different weather conditions. There's a nice weight to it. We'll need to install the adapter to get it to fit on the VB chassis WRX. We'll need a ratchet with a 15mm socket and also a 4mm Allen wrench. First, we'll unscrew the factory shift knob. Alright, we're looking at about 7 ounces for the factory knob. And a bit over 13 ounces for the Raceseng shift knob, so nearly double. Next, we'll install the threaded adapter. Raceseng recommends you add some medium Loctite or thread lock to the shift lever, but I remove my shift knob a lot, so I am not going to do that. And try not to torque it down too much because you can damage the shift assembly. We'll also tighten down the set screw on top. Of course, we'll screw down the new shift knob. As you can see, the marking is offset slightly, so we'll have to unscrew the shift knob. We'll need to unscrew the set screw just a bit more than the amount that the marking is off by. Alright, this matches the OEM Ultra Suede shift boot nearly perfectly. The shade varies a bit too, depending on lighting. If it's bright, then it tends to be a bit gray, but if it's dark, then it's more of a black color. Also matches the Ultra Suede dash nicely. Feels very nice in the hand. Hopefully it doesn't wear out very quickly. The extra weight does make it feel just a bit smoother than the original shift knob. Alright guys, thanks for watching, and again, hit the like and subscribe button. It keeps me motivated to create more WRX content. Take care.